Today we are traveling to one of our favorite Mexican resorts for a little lifestyle exercise and pool play. Next, the Tunnel of Love. Followed by a misleading game where everybody does the opposite that I say.
Are we ready? Right. In. Out. In. Out.
And the final celebration of a fun time.
Sexy, sexy, sexy. Guacamole.
Thank you, guys.
We love you.
Nice job. Thank you.
How was that?
Awesome.
That was so
I actually got a workout.
Creating a good lifestyle can have a profound positive impact on your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more food, travel, and lifestyle content.